If you've been to Texas Roadhouse and you love their chili, this recipe is for you. Heat a medium or large Dutch oven or pot on medium heat. Add the olive oil and onion to the pot and saute the onion for about 3 to 4 minutes until it begins to turn translucent, stirring occasionally. Next, add the garlic and saute for another minute. Add the ground beef to the pot and use a wooden spoon to break it apart. Allow it to cook for about 5 minutes or until all the beef is browned. Add the brown sugar, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, black pepper, and salt to the browned meat. Cook for an additional 30 seconds while stirring to season the meat. Next, you're going to add the beef broth, crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, tomato paste, and then you can choose whether or not you want to include beans. If you like beans, go ahead and add a can of black beans and red kidney beans that have been drained and rinsed. Stir the chili together and bring the chili to a low simmer. Continue to gently simmer the chili uncovered for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. Serve your chili with your favorite toppings such as cheddar cheese, tortilla chips, red onion, green onion, and sour cream. For this recipe and more, check out my blog at timeforthetable.com.